Um, Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to explain how I was able to build my first web service API, my backend API. So at first I was able to set up my environment by initializing the repository with npm I, and I was able to set the package.json file. I use Mongodb as dependency, Express as dependency, and .env as also dependency. Now I use nodemon as a dev dependency because I'll be using it to to make sure that my server does not, I don't have to restart my server anytime I make a change. So at first, this is my main app. I import the Express library and the MongoDB, and also set my main application to Express, which means that this app will be depending on Express for most of its functionalities. So this, I was able to set a route whenever there is a request made to the server to the home page, it will redirect to the route folder. Now the route folder has an index.js file which gets the look at the route and send the response hello world. And also, because I will be building a simple because I build a simple user database, I will expect to receive a user parameter when making the request to get from the server. So I also have a user file which gets all the users, and if it's a particular user with an ID, it gets all the particular that user with a particular ID. And so it will now go to it will now redirect to this user controller, which is a folder that handles the controllers. So for the users, to get a single user, I make a request to the database, and with this code I was able to fetch data from the database, and in response, if the response is okay, it sends the status and it converts the data to JSON. And to test it out, I'm going to test it with a Thunder client. I already have, so I'll just go to localhost /3000/users. When I make the request, okay, I think it's not users, it's contacts. Okay, so I make the request. So sorry, it's users size. It's users. Okay, there's an error. Oh, I discovered that I have not started my local hosts. So I will quickly go to open my terminal and do npm start, and it's not listening. It's not listening to the port. So if I test it now with users, okay, there's no users/users. Say I get a response. So if I need a particular user, I just have to copy the ID. The response will be okay. Thank you very much.